Okay, so let's talk about geothermal energy. As the name suggests, it is related to some geometric stuff, right? Geo is there. So okay. So what is geothermal energy basically? Geothermal energy is basically extracting energy from the vapor that comes from the hot spring. Yeah, basically that's it. So you have seen many times that vapor comes out, right? This. So how does it comes out, or why does it comes out? Let's go to the core of the earth, right? This is the core, and this is very hot. This is lava basically. This is the core of the earth, and there are some stones that this is the ground, and suppose there are some water, right? There are some water, and these stones come contact with this core. They get heated up, and when stones are heated up, they heated up very quickly. So this hits up the water. When the water hits up, it rises and it gets the ground, and then it evaporates. Yes, yeah. The vapor comes out, right? You have seen it using as a hot spring, all right, or hot bath. Okay, basically Japanese do this all the time, right? They do hot spring and hot bath all the time. So this is how this geothermal energy is used. So now, of course, it's very good. We got a hot spring, natural hot water, and got a hot spa bath, natural steam bath that we call it. This is the steam, or yeah. So this is the steam, and this is how you. This you're getting all the cool stuff, right? But what if we wanted to convert it into, electricity? How can we do this? This is a high flowing steam, right? If we can somehow convert it, or you can somehow direct it to our turbine rotating blades, we can produce electricity by rotating of the shaft or the rotating of the blades. We can use the generator to produce electricity. How do you do it? We just place okay, so we just use a structure somewhat like this to direct the stream flow to our turbine. Okay, this is a turbine or whatever. So when the steam hits the turbine rotates, and there is a generator, and it produces electricity. Alright, so this is basically your geothermal energy. Okay, this is how you can use the gases comes out of the earth, or the steam comes out from the earth to use or to convert it into your electricity or energy. Okay, so there are of course advantages and disadvantages of this. What are the advantages? This is less pollutant, okay, because this is coming directly from the earth. Okay, geometric energy is quite cheaper because you don't need to do anything. Alright, everything is giving by earth. You just need to construct this mechanism and just turbine. That's it. And this is also cheaper because you don't need to huge amount of workers to maintain it. What are the disadvantages? That is, the overall power consumption is very low compared to other renewable resources, because if you compare it to wind and sun, it doesn't even count. All right, wind and sun are huge, like they are found in anywhere, and in these first of all, these are not found everywhere in the world, and second, wherever it is found, it is of low quantity. All right, so the overall power consumption is low. Okay, the drilling operation is noisy. Suppose there is a hot spring in your neighbor and they are using it to generate electricity, then there will be drilling and a huge amount of drilling. All right, so that will be noisy. Okay, and a huge large area is also needed for this exploitation. All right, because they happen in mountains. All right, and in mountains, if you want to build this construction, all right, so this construction needs a huge amount of area, because if you build the construction of the turbine just on the mountain, first of all the mountain will break. All right, and the second of all, this will get destroyed, lots of waste of money. So These are produced in land, in solid ground, okay, and from the mountain or from wherever the steam is coming out, from there these are directed to the turbine. So a huge amount of land is needed for this one. Okay, so these are the advantages and the disadvantages of the geothermal energy. The geothermal energy is very simple, very simple. Okay, you just need to don't need to do anything. Whenever they ask you, just give them this diagram, I mean a good diagram of core and heats coming out or hot spring coming out from there, and there a construction is done so that it can move the steam to your or the direct the steam to your turbine, and from the turbine you can sorry about that, so that you can direct your steam to the turbine, and from the turbine you can produce your electricity by a generator. So this is it. Hope you guys understood the geothermal energy. It is a very easy one. Okay, and if you guys did, then great, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.